In this video, you'll discover how to download a quotes CSV file in just a few simple steps. We'll show you how to download it directly from the Quote Details page. Let's get started. To begin, let's navigate to the Quotes section. Please note that you can download CSV files for all types of quotes except voided quotes. I'll demonstrate how to download a CSV file by accessing its designated details page. Click on the quote ID that you wish to download. This will take you to the Quote Details page. Locate the More button and click Download as CSV to initiate the download process. The file has now been downloaded. Let's open it. Congratulations! We've successfully downloaded a quote CSV file in just a few easy steps. Want to learn more tips and tricks on how to use Blixo? Please like and subscribe. Not a Blixo customer yet? Want to grow sales, manage subscriptions, improve retention, and automate accounting? Sign up for Blixo today by visiting Blixo.com.